The prestigious 133rd Durand Cup trophies were prominently displayed in a roadshow in Tura, West Garo Hills, organized by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by the government of Meghalaya. The event celebrated a historic moment for Meghalaya as it will host Durand Cup matches for the first time. The roadshow featured the iconic trophies parading through the streets of Tura amidst cheers and applause. The convoy, adorned with the cherished trophy, traversed key locations including Nazing Bazar, Arabail, Tetenkol and Hawakhana before culminating at the P.A. Sangma Stadium. At each stop, local officials and spectators gathered for flag-off ceremonies and festive.
All the sports enthusiasts and players alike has been looking forward to this tournament such a long time, and this is not only a sport that gives us the pleasure of watching these kind of games, but also it unites us together.
In Women's Asia Cup T20 cricket,